Hello to all my viewers. This is Dr. Dhaval Maheta, and today we'll understand print options available in Excel. So let's take one data. In this data, in first row, we are having the months, and in the first column, we are having genre of the movie. Now, let's activate the file print options. You can see on the first page, the months are appearing as well as the genre is appearing. But when I scroll down, the genre of the movie is missing. We want that the row header and the column header should repeat in each page. Now, how we can do this? So for this, we will go in page layout, page setup, go in sheet, rows to repeat at the top, select it, columns to repeat at the left, select it, and click OK. Now again, you go in file, print, and just observe here. The genre is there. Now I will scroll. Done. See, the genre is getting repeated. Moreover, the header will also get repeated. What are the other options for the print? Again, click on page setup. Activate the header and footer. Custom header. So on the left section, I want that my name should appear in the document. In the center, the date should be appearing. So click here, date. And here, the time should appear. Click. What other options are there? You can insert the page number, insert number of pages, format text. You can insert the file name, insert the sheet name. All these options are there. Let me do the formatting of this. Format the text. So I can make it bold. I can increase the size. I can change the font type. Let's change the color. Click OK. OK. And just press OK. Click OK. Now again, we'll go in File, Print. You can see on the top, my name is appearing, and the center date is appearing, and the time is appearing. So it will auto update the same document if we print tomorrow. The time and the date will be taken off the tomorrow. Similarly, you can also activate the footer options here. Go in page setup, header and footer, activate the footer custom footer from here. So this was all about the print options available in Excel. For more videos on Excel, kindly subscribe to my channel. You can also refer my playlist in which I have uploaded tutorials on data science, machine learning, and artificial intelligence. Please don't forget to like and share my videos. You can also follow me on different social medias, link given in the description box.